Hello, Mr. Sundaram. This is natural. So, one person basically, why you are discussing this everything? Basically? So, reason behind discussing is basically this everything basically which is happened basically and happening basically. That is basically first it's human in human souls data basically where the nuclear power plant is there basically. There this data is processed basically long before basically. After that only basically the discussion basically started. So one person told that yes, yeah, that's you are 100% correct. So here one person told that from here basically Sunil basically we are going to track basically which was that country basically who basically planned this basically. So one of the satellite person told that we are tracking that also basically which was that human souls data basically which first got the information that basically Sunil R. Nair is not supposed to get job basically. Because after that basically the process started basically. So here one person of the yes basically. And who has basically written that data basically in the human souls basically where the human souls here basically we have taken the example that Russia group basically is having the data of Sunil R. Nair human souls basically. So here basically in Russia country basically which country basically process the data basically that Sunil R. Nair basically is not supposed to get jobs because wherever basically the people are staying in the world basically they are authorized basically to write the data in Russia. Assume that basically world 700 crore human souls data basically processing in Russia basically. So 1% of the yes basically. So like this assume that basically one American group basically has done this or basically some South Africa group basically or basically some European group or basically some Indian group basically or basically some Mumbai person basically. India means Mumbai basically. So 1% of the US basically. Or some Pune group basically. Assume that basically because Pune is also very high tech city. So next video.